Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can make Zoom meeting and get link. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, you will need to open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for zoom.us. After that, you will be redirected to this web page. Here, you just need to either sign in or create a new account. In order to sign in, click on the Sign In embedded at top right corner and then enter the required credentials. Once you are done with it, you will be redirected to this page. Here, make sure you are on the home page of your account. After that, click on the Host button at top right corner and a new window will open up. Now, the Zoom app will start downloading on your PC automatically. Once it is downloaded, click on it and then install the app completely. Now, it will load for a few seconds and your Zoom meeting will be launched automatically. In order to get the meeting link, click on the participants icon at the bottom and then select the invite button. After that, a new pop-up will appear on your screen. Simply, you can either use the available platforms to share the meeting or you can copy the meeting link and share it to specific people. So that's basically how you can make Zoom meeting and get link. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.